wrapping up 2021. I went ahead and created a montage video of everything I've done throughout the year. Put it all into one video, and I know this year's been pretty crazy with COVID and myself wrapping up college and getting a new IT job, so that I really love. But on top of that, just wrapping up, getting Mitten Visuals up. It's a little business that I'm going to be starting in 2022. Adding more drones to the fleet, and really excited to see what 22 has an offer. So with that, hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already subscribed, appreciate it if you would. With that, enjoy the video.
She said, I'm running around looking for peace of mind. So come out and change me.